come to the rule number 8 में क्या हो सकता है? दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल 8. एग्जाम्पल 8 सम ऑल का बाद क्या हो सकता है? ऑल नॉन लिख सकता है. स्टेटमेंट क्या हो सकता है? सपोज सम A or B, sum A or B, then you can write no B is C. No B is C. Sum A or B, no B is C. Okay. Then स्टेटमेंट का बाद कंक्लूजन है. कंक्लूजन क्या है? Then come to the diagram. Sum A or B. Sum A or B. Okay. Sum A or B. Then no B is C. Am I clear? B का साथ A का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. Okay. Then this is the figure 1. This is a minimum. Okay. We can draw the second pictures. Sum, very important question. Sum A or B, no B is C. No B is C. B का साथ C का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. But we can connect with A to C. Look at this picture. भी हो सकता है. But this part को नहीं टच कर सकता है because this is a intersection B. A का कुछ पार्ट B में है, B का कुछ पार्ट A भी है. So since B is not C, so this part में B है. So C A का सब पार्ट्स टच कर सकते हैं लेकिन दिस पार्ट को टच नहीं कर सकता है. ओके. दिस इज द फिगर 2. थर्ड पिक्चर में क्या हो सकता है? थर्ड पिक्चर में ड्रॉ कर सकता है हम. देखिए, लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. सम A or B, am I correct? नो B is C. C को A का अंदर में लिख सकता है, ड्रॉ कर सकता है. So all C or A भी हो सकता है. This is figure 3. Okay. These are maximum. These both picture are maximum. This is minimum. So maximum और minimum में जो है common है, that is our conclusion. So number 8 statement is very important. Very important. Okay, very important. Look at the conclusions. Conclusion क्या हो सकता है? Number 1 conclusion. Sum A or B, hence देखो all picture में sum A or B है. All picture में sum A or B है. Okay, first picture में है, second picture में, third picture में है. So sum B or A ultimately. Okay. The number 2 conclusion क्या है? No B is C. No B is C. B का साथ C का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. ऑल पिक्चर में B का साथ कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. थर्ड भी नहीं है, सेकंड भी नहीं है, फर्स्ट भी नहीं है. So we can write no C is B. No C is B. Okay. The third picture क्या हो सकता है? देखिए, very interesting, which is common in every pictures. Look at very carefully. ए सी का साथ कोई रिलेशन नहीं है फर्स्ट पिक्चर में। इधर भी ए का दिस पार्ट ऑफ ए कैन नॉट टच सी, दिस पार्ट ऑफ ए और बी का पार्ट सी टच नहीं कर सकते। सो वी कैन से सम ए आर नॉट सी। वेरी केयरफुली लुक एट द थर्ड one very carefully. Some A are not C. Clearly, am I clear? Very interesting conclusions. Some A are C. Look at this picture. पहला पिक्चर में some A are C 100% correct. In second picture में this A intersection B में A B common है ना, so this part को C टच नहीं कर सकते. So this is A. We can say some A are not C. Yes. Then here also some, since A is within A, C is within A, and it cannot, C cannot touch this part. Hence, we can 100% say that some A are not, sorry, some A are not C. Not C. Okay. Some A are not C. Okay, am I clear? Then come to the number 4 conclusion. If we reverse slightly, some C are not A, we can write some C are not A. Very carefully see. Some C are not A. Some A are not C, not equal to some C are not A. Oh, both statements not correct. Both conclusions are not equal. Some A are not C. That does not mean some C are not A. I can prove here clearly. Look at these pictures. Some A are not C. A first picture में है. Look at this picture, second pictures. Some C are not A. Here some C are A है. Here all C are A. Okay. Very interesting question. Basically, very interesting conclusions. All C are A. Here in the third pictures, all C are A. Here C are A भी connected है, लेकिन first picture में C are not A नहीं है. So this is 50% correct. This is 50% correct. So this is either or लिख सकता है. So our final conclusion is number 1 I, 2 I, and third I, and we can write either 4th or 5 follows. This is our final conclusion. Okay, I think all will be gone. Understand? Okay. Suppose in case of possibilities, suppose the question is asked in case of possibilities. In case of possibilities, very carefully see, observe. In case of possibilities, क्या हो सकता है? All CRA हो सकता है. This is 5 का जो conclusion है वही 100% हो सकता है. In case of possibilities, number 5 क्या है? All CRA हो सकता है if you add the word possibility. Okay, I hope all should be understand. Okay, very important questions, very important conclusions. Okay, number 8 is very important. Then come to the example 9. हम आपको पहले बोला था एग्जाम 10 एग्जाम्पल देंगे. This is the just before the ending the conclusion जो rule. This is the last one. Rule 9. रूल 9 का क्या एग्जाम्पल क्या है? स्टेटमेंट लिखो, राइट डाउन द स्टेटमेंट्स. स्टेटमेंट क्या है? ऑल ए आर बी, all A are B. Okay. Then no B is C. Okay. Now come to the conclusions. Okay. Now draw the picture solution के लिए. All A are B. Am I clear? A is a subset of B. All A are B. No B is C. No B is C. That means B का साथ C का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. No B is C. Okay. Now this is the minimum. This is the minimum. Figure 1. I think this picture is sufficient. Okay. We can write also in the second picture. A और B को दोनों को इक्वल कर सकते हैं और C को अलग से लिख सकते हैं. So it is also satisfied. No B is C. This is maximum. Figure 2. This is maximum. Okay. So now come to the conclusion from both picture. Number 1 conclusion क्या हो सकता है? Write down the number 1 conclusion. All A or B means some B are A clearly. Some B are A clearly. Number 2. No B is C. No B is C clearly. No C is B. Am I right? Okay. Then come to the third conclusion. क्या हो सकता है? क्या हो सकता है? क्या हो सकता है? No, look at very carefully. No A is C हो सकता है. Yes or no? 100%. No is C because all A are B. A sub part का all part of A are within B and no part of B is C. So hence no part of A is C. We can say right also no some we can write also some C are not A. वो भी लिख सकता है. Okay. But now come to the very interesting questions. In case of possibilities, स्टार देखो लिख सकते हैं. In case of possibilities, in case of possibility क्या हो सकता है? In case of possibility क्या हो सकता है? Number 5 conclusions. All A are B and all B are A हो सकता है. So all B are A हो सकता है. क्या है ना? पॉसिबिलिटी केस में. Okay. Am I clear now? Everybody should understand very clearly. Okay. सो आज का लास्ट रूल क्या है? दैट इज रूल 10। रूल 9 को हम अगेन क्लैरिफाई। ऑल ए आर बी, नो बीज सी। लुक एट दिस पिक्चर। दिस इज द पहला पिक्चर है, दिस इज द मिनिमम, दिस इज द मैक्सिमम। मिनिमम मैक्सिमम क्या है? कम टू द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, ऑल ए आर बी मीन्स सम बी आर है, हो सकता है डेफिनेटली। देन सिंस नो बी इज सी, hence no C is B 100% correct. And also since A B का अंदर में है और B का कुछ पार्ट, सभी पार्ट C में नहीं है, so ultimately no A is C है 100%. And we can write also optional conclusions, some C are not A हो सकता है, no C is, no A is C, some C are not A हो सकता है. Okay, but in case of possibilities all B are A हो सकता है. Okay, then come to the rule number 10. Rule number 10 क्या है? Very important things. Rule number 10 क्या है? Only case. Only case. This is also latest pattern. This is also latest pattern. Okay, statement में क्या लिख सकता है? Number 10 statement. Rule example 10. Statement. ओके, पहला स्टेटमेंट क्या है? ओनली ए आर बी। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। ओनली बी आर सी। ओनली ए आर बी, ओनली बी आर सी। ओके, लुक एट दिस पिक्चर्स, लुक एट द कंक्लूजन। क्या हो सकता है? कंक्लूजन क्या हो सकता है? ओनली मीन्स क्या है? फर्स्ट क्लैरिफाई, वी क्लैरिफाई ओनली मीन्स क्या है। आई एम गिविंग द टू पिक्चर्स, we choose which one should be appropriate. Suppose only A or B. Look at this picture. Is it correct? Only B or A is correct. Only B are correct. Only A is, which one is correct? This one or this one? Look at this first picture. Suppose I can say only A or B. is A, इधर भी B, इधर भी C लिख सकता है, इधर भी D लिख सकता है, इधर भी E लिख सकता है. So can we say only A or B? No. E भी हो सकता है, C भी हो सकता है, D भी हो सकता है, A भी हो सकता है. So you cannot say only A or B. But in the second picture, this is only A or B. A means A is the superset, so B belongs to A. A is the superset. For example, I am giving the, for example, very best example I am giving now. Suppose in a class, in a college, suppose in a college, there are 100 seats. 100 seats. Okay, in a college there are 100 seats. In the advertisement given, only first divisions. Only first divisions can admitted. Only first divisions can admitted. A class में 100 seat है. Suppose this is 100 seat. 100. 100 seats. 100 seats. After admission, 100 students are admitted. That means we can say those who are admitted, all are admitted. That means those who are admitted, all are first divisions. So all 100 students are first divisions. So Ramo is admitted, A is admitted, B is admitted, C is admitted. Those who are admitted, all are first divisions. So only first divisions can admitted means all are first divisions. So those who are taking admission, all are first divisions. X, Y, Z or A, B, C, D, all are first divisions. So first divisions is the superset and those who are taking admitted are the subset. Like this, apply this formula here. All A or B means all B are A. A is the superset. A का अंदर में सब कुछ रह सकता है, लेकिन इधर में B का अंदर में A को छोड़कर अदर भी रह सकता है. So we cannot say here only means A का व्यतीत except A कोई भी नहीं है. Only A or B. The first picture is wrong. The second picture is correct. So from this both picture, we final conclusion क्या है? Shortcut method क्या है? Only A और B means इसको reverse करके देख सकते हैं. Reverse कर दो. We can reverse justly. All B are A. All B are A. All B are. So diagram क्या है? All B are A. Am I right? Like this, apply this formula, reverse में लिख सकते हैं. Only B or C means all C are B. All C are B. This is minimum. Figure 1. Figure. This is minimum and this is maximum. This is minimum and maximum. Maximum में A, B और C को सबको समान कर रख सकते हैं. A, B और C को इक्वल कर सकते हैं. This is not maximum. This is maximum. Figure 2. This is maximum. Okay. Now we can erase this. Okay. Now the first should be the final conclusion क्या है? दोनों पिक्चर में ड्रा कर सकते हैं. Very easy. Write down the conclusion number 1. Conclusion में क्या होता है? नंबर पहला conclusion क्या है? All C are A लिख सकता है. सेकंड वाला कंक्लूजन क्या है? ऑल बी आर ये लिख सकता है. थर्ड कंक्लूजन क्या है? सम ए और बी भी लिख सकता है. और नंबर 4 भी क्या है? सम ए आर सी भी लिख सकता है. नंबर 5 क्या है? लिख सकता है. वी कैन राइट नंबर 5 conclusions. All C are B. So some B are A. Okay. These are the 5 conclusions. But you can write in case of possibilities. Very carefully. Look at very carefully. in case of possibilities. In case of possibility क्या है? A, B और C are A equal to B equal to C. So we can write number 6, conclusions. All A और B और C भी लिख सकता है. Like this, लास्ट वाला क्या लिख सकते हैं? All B are A possibility. Okay, here also possibility. Okay, this is the end of the 10 formula. I hope you all will understand. Okay, thank you. This is the level 1. In the second class, we'll discuss all questions. Okay. In the second class, in the second episode, we come to the question, only questions and solutions. Thank you for everybody.